Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. This is Jerry from BSK Garage, and today we are continuing to work on the Ford 8.8 swap in my 2003 Jeep TJ. And of course, if you're coming to this video, you want to learn how to do the parking brake. And on the table, or on my toolbox table, I got a parking brake cable. They're both the same. They're from East Coast Gear Supply. You can see the part number. They carry everything you need to do this swap, and we're going to start installing it and hooking it up to the factory system so we can retain our parking brake and keep it legal. So I just got one cable out. As you can see, you got this rubber piece. I'm going to assume it's going to go slide on into this end here, and of course that goes right like that when you feed it through. This is where the only logical place I could see where that little rubber could go, act as a little cushion. I could be wrong. I don't remember what it was like on the original, but definitely not going to go on this end. I hope you guys are going to be able to see this, because I'm going to connect that. Going to pull the spring back. I'm going to push that through enough, get this little ring started. My screwdriver. I'm on. Want to make sure that sucker's down, because you don't want it to pop out. This camera has a built-in light, so you'll be able to see it better. So I ran my parking brake cables the same way as the factory ones were, between the control arms behind the sway bar links. Take it up and around, and they actually fit in place pretty good. You do have to give a little bit of force to push them in, but they do go in. And then of course, once you got both your brake cables in, you assemble all your parking brake linkage, tighten her down, and then test your brakes and adjust them if necessary. No, I'm gonna just get it pretty tight now. Come on. Oh yeah, she's locked up. It took a little bit of work to get my parking brakes set up so that they lock up and disengage when the parking brake handle's off. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And thanks for following me along on the Ford 8.8 build and swap into my Jeep TJ.